Hey guys, welcome to the Prime Slider Widget tutorial. Today we're going to show you how you can customize the Titanic slider to make your landing page more unique and attractive. First, let's drag and drop the widget inside the page. By default, the slider shows the items in a card stack formation with a full screen blur image of the active item as a background. Clicking on the giant arrows changes the total view to the next slide. Even the titles are duplicated and magnified behind the card stack. This whole interface presents itself as a new light to the unique characteristics of the slider while letting you go overboard with the design. Now from the slider items section controls, you could add more slides to the stack by clicking the add item button. Opening a slide box gives you subtitle, title, title link, and image fields to customize the slider items. While we're at it, let's start customizing right away. So now that all three are complete, check how the slider looks. From the additional settings section, you can adjust the total height of the slider with the scroll bar. Also, you can toggle any part of the slider interface like the title, subtitle, or arrows using the switchers below in these options. The last section in the content tab is slider settings, where you can customize the animation related options for the slider. By default, autoplay is on. You can turn on the loop and then tweak the autoplay or animation speed according to your preferences. Alright, now we can move to the style tab to enhance the appearance of the slider. First, you can customize the image overlay color. None is selected by default. You can select background and then select gradient color. Now set both colors to create a vibrant background. Also, there is a blur level adjuster below so you can control how much background visibility you prefer. Next comes the titles. Let's paint them in white color. The options let you change the first word color of the title separately, and that looks awesome. Then go for the typography option to customize the font style settings. Don't stop until you find the perfect font to represent your slides. Also, you can customize the title color that's on the background, as well as the typography. As there's a bunch of options available, take your time to decorate the titles carefully. Then you can move into the subtitle section to start customizing it. You can adjust the position of the subtitle through the margin fields. Let's bring it a little closer to the stack. The same goes for the titles. You can bring it more close to the stack bottom. Back into the subtitle, let's work with the typography option to style the font of the subtitle. The image stack in the middle of the slider is the thumbs image, and this section lets you customize the stack by the height, width, border, and radius. Next, the navigation section lets you select an arrow icon from the 23 options available here. Then let's add a solid border around the arrows with a very thin border width. Use padding to increase the area inside the arrows. Plus, you can adjust the icon size using the scroll bar at the bottom. You can go for the hover subsection to customize the arrows to add hover effects. Then at the bottom, you can customize the fraction navigation by the colors. And you have made an awesome slider for your website using the Titanic Slider Widget. So that's all for now. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new video tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.